Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a link in WordPress fast. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to create clickable links in your blog posts or pages, whether it's for text, images, or buttons. You won't just know the how, you'll understand the why behind each step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common mistakes. Let's dive right in with the most reliable method, and honestly the one I recommend for almost everyone. Using the link button inside the WordPress editor. This is your bread and butter for adding links because it works for text, images, and even those colorful call-to-action buttons. Start by selecting the content you want to link. Maybe you have a sentence in your blog post that says, "Check out my latest recipe," or you've dropped an image into your page. You'll want to highlight that text or click directly on the image or button. This step is important because it tells WordPress exactly what should become clickable. If you skip this, you might end up applying a link to the wrong place or nowhere at all. Once you've selected, pay attention to the small formatting toolbar that pops up right above your selection. Look for the icon that looks like a little chain link. It's usually next to the bold and italic buttons. Clicking this icon opens up a text field for you to enter your link. Here you can either paste in a URL, for example, a link to another website, or if you're linking to something on your own site, you can actually just start typing the page or post title. WordPress is smart enough to give you search results as you type, which saves time and avoids typos. For example, if you've got a page called About Us, just start typing About and you'll see it pop up below, click to select, and you're done. Now here's a step that's often missed but adds that polished touch, opening links in a new tab. Sometimes, especially if you're linking out to an external website, you don't want your readers to leave your site entirely. Click on the link settings icon, sometimes it looks like a pencil, and toggle on Open in New Tab. This way your site stays open in the background and the viewer hops to the new link without interruption. To wrap up this method, click the Submit icon, which might look like a little arrow, or just hit Enter on your keyboard. That's it, your link is set. Take a moment to preview your page and make sure it works as expected. There's nothing more frustrating than a broken link later on. Maybe you want something even faster. Enter method 2, the copy and paste shortcut. This is great if you already have the URL ready. First, copy the URL using Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. In your WordPress editor, just highlight the text you want to make clickable, and here, the magic. Simply paste that URL directly over the highlighted text using Ctrl+V or CMD+V. WordPress will automatically embed that as a link. No extra clicks, no opening toolbars. It's lightning quick, almost like dropping a note into a mailbox and having it delivered instantly. And that's it. Now you're equipped with both a versatile and a super speedy way to add links in WordPress. Whether you're fine-tuning your blog, creating landing pages, or updating a gallery, these methods will help you keep your site engaging and easy to navigate. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below. I love hearing what's working for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and website tips. Happy linking, and I'll see you in the next one.